Good morning, Balers. Welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. It's been a while. I'm Rocco Forneris.
And I'm F. Shanrock.
Do you remember a few years ago there were no gates on Nash Road?
Oh yeah, I heard about that. Bumfest used to be held in the Baler Alley parking lot.
It did, and speaking of Bumfest, we had a successful one recently. Cars and trucks of all kinds filled up the plaza area on Nash between the gates.
All right, 1, 2.
High School's Fall Bumpfest. Hollister High students use their vehicles in a way to express themselves and show off their hard work and dedication. If your school held a Bumpfest, how would you modify your ride?
All right, my name is Hayden. Who am I here with today?
Anthony.
All right, today we're out here at the Bumpfest. Get a nice view on the trucks here. What do you think about today's Bumpfest?
Cool idea, you know. I participated this year when I came here.
There you go.
I think it's pretty cool. I had a 61 Ford Falcon.
Little Ford Falcon, there we go.
Yeah.
What car is it? 98 Honda Civic. Nice, I like it. 98 Honda Civics, guys. Oh, yeah.
Do you know about the Baler Closet? Let's check this out. Available for anyone who wants or needs it.
Hey Balers, starting on Thursday, December 7th, after school, Baler Closet will be reopening. Located between room 245 and 246 on main campus, Baler Closet will be open every Thursday after school from 2 to 3 p.m. until May. Baler Closet started with 2 students as an idea for a community service project. Now it has expanded to a service that is provided to every student at Hollister High School to ensure everyone has access to free clothing. Feel free to stop by for access to a huge collection of clothing items. Their closet includes t-shirts, sweaters, jackets, pants, dresses, shoes, jewelry, sunglasses, even nail polish, and more. Remember, everything in Baler Closet is completely free. The limit is 15 items per student. Donations of items from the community are also appreciated. The Baler
That was great. Have you ever wanted to go to Italy to stand in the Colosseum or to gaze at the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel or maybe to wander around Florence? Does exploring the French Riviera sound amazing to you? What about the Spanish cities of Barcelona and Madrid? If this sounds great to you, scan the QR code on the flyer and come with a parent to the mandatory informational meeting on December 21st at 7 p.m. in room 354. RSVP today. Please note this is not a school-sponsored event.
Let's check out a cool school project.
Diversity in electives. One cool thing about Hollister High School is the diversity in electives. Being here, you might think that options are average, but from the perspective of a semi-new student, this school has way more electives than many other schools, not to mention the diversity in these electives. Students here have art, multimedia, music, welding, auto body, culinary, photography, and many more electives to choose from. All these options are specific to certain interests.
Have you seen the texture, light, and pattern projects Multimedia did? Check out this run from Rodney Nasser. And hey, we'll see you after break. Go Balers.